proud of as a Cebuano? Because the hashtag is Matayumated Cebu. What are you most proud of as a Cebuano?
I'm most proud of everything about Cebu. When I go to Manila, I call everybody by. It's like pare, I always explain to them. And what I'm also very proud of is that I just did a teleserie, it's our second season, it's called Single Single, it's produced by Philippine Star and Simoa. I'm so proud that when I got in that set, everybody was Cebuano. Believe it or not, from the writers, from the DOP, from the cameraman, everybody was Bisaya. So I was like, oh my god, this is so cool. So many Cebuanos are getting out of Cebu and opening their wings and working everywhere. So it's so nice to see, it's so nice to see. Because before us Cebuanos, we only like to say Cebu, we wouldn't really be exposed. But now everybody's starting to go out and being exposed and seeing their talents. Like Morissette, she's from Manila, everybody else. And this was very nice. So Cebu's my home, and I like to show it off to everybody.
Do you write songs?
A little bit, I'm still shy to show it. Hopefully my second album.
If you are to write a song for Sarah, what would be the title of the song?
So bad. What's the title?
Or the message na lang of the song for Sarah. Words about love.
Of course, about love. I think the message should be whatever obstacle, whatever hill, whatever mountain, I'll climb it, I'll swing it, I'll run it for you.
You made it simple.
Roger, you have a question?
Sir.
You used to do go-kart racing.
Yes, sir.
Recently?
Good morning, sir. I started when I was 11 years old in Kart Zone, in Mangolo. And the same people I started with, I still have them now. And they're big parts of my life. So I always cherish the people I started with. Like, see, how stars, sila Bayani, sila Hogan Buster. Yun, I still go there from time to time. But I don't go kart anymore.
Why?
Yeah, number na triathlon ako sport karon and motor sa go, motor. Kapag kung daw sa Manila, busy kayo dito, what I do is just come for the weekend in Cebu, just get on my bike and go to Bugong, Malboa, I go around from Cebu. Parang taping ako doon.
How often do you come to do?
Well, once a month, once every 2 months for the weekend.
Aside from riding, what else do you do? Out of the
Eating. I love this one food. Bibingka. Atong bibingka is Cebu #1 pera. Kanang Manila, sabot sa bibingka. Pagkatapos, ikaw bibingka sa Manila ba na itlog, na cheese, na di ba? It's very modified. But kung wato ka Asturias, nasa na bibingka yan, nipis kaya is brown. Tingnan lang yan. Ha? Malamban? It's Malamban Asturias. Si Manang, there's a small ubo there. I always go to Manang there. Thank you, sir.
Sa mga Bisaya kumataon during the concert, sa mga
Ang song good with Kurt, his song is Hasula song. Yeah. Ha? Maybe. Yeah. Maybe we'll do some Manila or Manila.
But what is asking kung saan yung company na produce yung mga upcoming movies and everything?
It's an independent production. One of our producers is Bong Tan. He's the owner of Asian Brewery and all that. So it's an independent.
so nasa side na
I think so. That's the goal. That's the goal. Yeah. I think end of the month, across the Crescent boom.
guests from the radio. Do you have any questions for Mateo? Marlon?
Yes, sir.
What's the relationship with
Natay free auto ha. Okay naman. Could be better. But syempre, we're working